Hello everybody. So today I want to talk about calculus. The topic that is about integration. So now I want to show you how to answer. We can use about integration by substitution. So I will put about u equal to x plus number 2 because we have x, so I will put number 2 go to the left. Next, we need to do first the derivative for the both sides. This one we have number 1. This one that is about the constant, so you got number 0. This one we have number 1. And we can simplify like this. So this one we change for u. S we change for u minus number 2. ds we change for du. So this one multiply by this one and number 2. Now we have the formula in here. So I will put number 4 going here. 4 plus 1 we have number 5. Similar for the second one. So about u, that is about this one. Number 2 divided by number 4, we have 1 over 2. This is the end. Thank you for watching.